everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a closed reading activity using Google Docs and using Google Docs drop-down menu. In a closed activity, you provide the students with a passage about a particular topic. Certain words are removed from the passage, and the students in turn use the drop-down menu to fill in or complete that sentence in that passage. I went ahead and copy-pasted some information about tigers from a website. Okay, so the next step is to decide which words you want to remove from the passage to make them part of the word list. I do recommend that before you remove the word, that you put a placeholder or some kind of marker that indicates that is where you want to place your drop-down menu. I'm going to be very brief and keep it very simple in this case. So I'm just going to choose 3 words. Okay, these are the words that I want to remove, and notice that I have an asterisk so that I know that is where the drop-down menu is going to be placed. So I'm going to simply select the word, click and hold on the mouse and drag it over to the top. So there's my listing of words. Okay, to save time, I'm going to go off camera momentarily to add formatting to my document, and I'm going to also add a picture about tigers to the passage. So here's my new formatted document. I'm going to show you now how to add the drop-down menu. Okay, so I have 3 placeholders. There's 1, 2, and 3. And so now I'm going to create the drop-down menu from these 3 words. So to create the drop-down menu, I'm going to the insert menu on top, down to drop-down, and then create a new drop-down. I'm going to give it a name, my list, and I'm going to populate these choices with these words. Notice that we have an extra blank. If you don't need it, you can simply delete it here. However, in my case, I'm going to create a new choice where I'm giving the students or the viewer an instruction, and that is to simply select the word, or you can simply type select. Okay, and then since I want for select to appear as a default value for the drop-down menu, I'm going to drag it to the top, like so. And I want to make it stand out from within the paragraph or the passage, so I'm going to add some color to it. If you want more choices here, you can simply click on your option. The last thing will be to simply save. Okay, so that added the drop-down menu where my cursor was placed, and so I'm going to delete the asterisk now. Okay, so now to populate the remaining blanks, you can simply copy your drop-down and paste it on the blanks, or you can go to the insert menu, down to drop down, and select the drop down that you have created earlier. There we go. Once you complete setting up your closed reading activity, you can assign it to the students through Google Classroom. That concludes this tutorial. Thank you for watching.